Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace BMW X5 windshield wipers. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades and any tools like a small flathead screwdriver, if needed. Always work on a cool, dry windshield to prevent damage. This simple task can significantly improve your driving visibility and safety in various weather conditions, making it a worthwhile maintenance step for your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm until it locks into a vertical position, away from the glass. Be gentle to avoid scratching your windshield. Find the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm, press it, and then slide the old blade straight off. Repeat this process for both the driver's and passenger's side wipers. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Look for any streaks or areas that aren't being cleaned properly. For optimal performance, inspect your wiper blades every 6 months and replace them as needed to maintain clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.